Pallavi, hello, how are you? Hi Chandra, hi Mohammed. So 5,000 people joined in today. Great. It's a mid-afternoon show, first show of mine. I usually take night shows and day shows, so this is a very different slot, and I'm eager to see who all have joined on this slot. So I guess we all had our breakfast today, so energy should be high, guys. Let's say a quick hi. Yes, come on. Anyone? Say hi. Yes, let's show some energy. Okay, I mean, the show really great. Thanks Ravi, thanks Madhur, awesome. I'm so happy that people make out time for these things. It's so important because sexuality is a force for good. Okay, that's my basic value for sexuality. So today's topic is very interesting. Are you ready for sex? I mean, I understand most of us are not virgins on this show, but it's not just about losing the virginity is the common word I use. I say gaining sexuality, I would rather use this word as. So it's sex readiness is just not for the first time sex. It is applicable every time. Every time we need to ask this, are we ready for sex or are we doing it for other reasons? So definitely we are going to talk more about the first time sex, but yes, even for ongoing relationships, interactions, we are going to talk about it. Hi Ajay, hi Sadat, hi Pooja, I'm good Sadat. Hi Kamakshi, hi Shushila, hi Ajay. Okay, so क्विज स्टार्ट होने वाला गाइस थोड़ी देर में, एंड yes, I'm assuming some parents are here, so this is going to help them. Okay Sadat, great. So it's good that you are ending session this time, because it will really help you, not just from your point of view but also from your partner's point of view. See, sex is something, it's a mutual decision. It's never one-sided decision that I want to have sex. There are two people involved, so you should also look for the other person, how they are feeling. Are they wanting, are they not wanting? There are a lot of discussions to be happening when it comes to having sex, which most of us don't have because there is a lot of shame. Okay, so yeah, good afternoon Sandeep, hi Amrita. हाँ, आज तो गांधी जयंती है और मैं एक इवेंट भी अटेंड करने जा रही हूँ गांधी जयंती के अवसर पे। तो छुट्टी का दिन है, एक रिलैक्सेशन है, तो ये भी अच्छी बात है कि आज छुट्टी का दिन है तो ज़्यादा लोग होंगे, क्योंकि ऑफिस से आज छुट्टी है जी। तो गाइस क्विज शुरू होने वाला है 1 minute 56 सेकेंड में, सो do log on to the quiz. I think it's now nearing the finale. Okay, so we have already entered into October, so there is one more month to go, and November the quiz will be over. So do your best, make sure you get maximum points, okay, and get a lot of prizes. तो ये था इसका क्विज का अपडेट है. नाउ कमिंग टू द टॉपिक, आर वी रेडी फॉर सेक्स? सी, सेक्स बेसिकली इज़ अ पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस. ठीक है, हम कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचते कि सेक्स हैज़ टू बी अ नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस. आई मीन दैट गोज इन टू असॉल्ट. सो वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट असॉल्ट, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग दैट इज़ कंसेंशुअल बिटवीन टू पीपल. तो उसमें भी क्या हो सकता है, क्योंकि असॉल्ट इज स्ट्रेट अवे अटैक ऑन समवंस डिग्निटी, समवंस like how do I say, body, emotion. So it's a straight away attack. But when it comes to sex readiness, there are times that we are not completely sure, we are still unsure, or we just don't think about it before doing it. तो वो सब चीज़ें होती हैं, बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस होती हैं, उसके बारे में हम बात करें कि आर वी रेडी फॉर सेक्स और नॉट. सी, like I said, sex is a positive experience. Okay, sex means pleasure, and that is why it is inherently threatening, because as a pleasure, we as a society are still not very open, okay, when it comes to pleasure, and especially sexual pleasure. Now the thing is whether we are able to talk about it or not. So okay, great Sandeep. And the quiz is about to start, guys, so just do it and come back to the session. That's lovely, Sandeep. That's something you have truly celebrated Gandhi Jayanti. हाँ, तो आज तो वो भी है ना, फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट है, प्लॉगिंग इवेंट है बेसिकली. तो कितने लोगों ने किया है. आई मीन हु हैव लाइक, आई थिंक संदीप हैज़ रियली Sandeep has really made a good point where he said that today in our society done such marathon for 2 hours by clearing garbage. That's amazing. In fact, I remember I also participated in a tree planting activity. तो एक एनजीओ ने किया था कि पेड़ प्लांट करने, वो बहुत अच्छा था. इनफैक्ट आई रियली लाइक ट्रीज. सो येस, these days you should actually make out time for this. नमस्ते राकेश. तो जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, देखिए कि सेक्स जो होता है एक म्यूचुअल डिसीजन होता है. तो दो सेक्स इज़ an activity that is associated with pleasure, but there can be times someone is forced into having sex, okay, or before they are ready, or even without their will. So it is very important to make sure that first of all you understand consent, that कि yes or no कब बोलना होता है, consent क्या होता है. So consent का एक मॉडल होता है basically कि it's called Fry's model, so I'm not going into very technicalities of what is consent, what is not. I'm just going to give you a short form which is called Fry's. French fries जो हम खाते हैं, मैकडी में खाते हैं, और those like delicious French fries. So similarly we have a Fry's model of consent. तो F stands for freely given. कि consent जो होता है आप अपनी मर्जी से देते हो. You are not pressurized, you are not manipulated, you are not threatened, you are not made scared. कि भाई एक डर की वजह से हाँ बोल रहे हैं या इसलिए बोल रहे हैं कि सामने वाला नाराज़ ना हो जाए. At times we love our partners and we want to be with them, but a lot of times women especially, even men in some cases, but women especially, they give into sex even though they are not wanting so much because they think उनके husbands को चाहिए. तो ऐसे cases मेरे पास अक्सर आते हैं, ऐसे issues आते हैं. So please understand that it has to be freely given. No pressure, no manipulation, no आर्म ट्विस्टिंग, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मतलब कोई थ्रेटन है कि अगर तुम नहीं सेक्स दोगी तो मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा. आई हैव हर्ड women saying, coming to me and saying this, that their husband threatened them कि if you are not going to give me sex, where will I go? Do I need to go somewhere else? Do I need to go to a prostitute? So this is important for men also here. Please do not pressurize the women. And for women also to say what is stopping them from having sex. At times we just shut off, like बस shut off कर दिया. It is also where you also need to communicate that, see, this is the problem I'm facing that doesn't make me want to have sex with you, and then you as a man can help her, okay, can help her understand her reasons, because sex is something that everyone should want it, except asexuals, or there could be some other issues. Other than every normal person should be wanting sex, because it's like about connection, it's about emotion, it's about pleasure, okay. So barring few of the categories or few of the areas, everyone should be wanting to have sex at an appropriate age, of course at a legal age. So definitely there are a lot of ifs and buts involved. So make you as a partner, please be vocal about what you are wanting, what you're not wanting, and as a other partner also be recipient, be receiving, in the receiving mode. Do not like, okay, no, she's just telling crap, or he's just adamant. You should encourage a environment where you can talk about it, you can talk about sex, okay. तो ये चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है कि बातचीत होनी चाहिए, सेक्स के बारे में बातचीत होनी चाहिए, सेक्स करने से पहले भी होनी चाहिए, सेक्स करने के बाद भी होनी चाहिए. नाउ जो कि मैं फ्राइज मॉडल बता रही थी, ओके, आई थिंक द क्विज हैज़ गॉट ओवर. सो let's see the scores. Please come back with the scores, guys. This is the kind of ritual where we celebrate. Great, Satik, congratulations. So Kimal, congratulations. All 5 questions correct. It's so rare, no? Sometimes like, okay, you get one wrong, or you get all 5. It's like, oh god, 50 out of 50. Great, Dr. Manoj. Lovely Anita. Great, 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 great. Awesome. Kudos. Awesome. Everyone like, okay, talking about it with kids is tricky, Manish. You are right, but it is not impossible. So yes, I will definitely give some leading points, leading conversation starters basically. Great, 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 Trideep. True, true. So, like I said, that I will be giving some conversation starters on how to talk about sex. It's just coming, like it's about values around sexuality. So yes, resuming the session back, I was talking about Fry's model of consent. Even parents understand. Please, you can just tell this to your kids because consent is very important. So पहला चीज़ होता है freely given without any manipulation. Fries. So F for fries. Okay. So F means freely given. No manipulation, no pressurizing, no threatening, nothing. Okay. No emotional intimidation. It's not about that you always have to physically threaten. Emotional threatening भी होती है जो कि ज़्यादा subtle होती है, but it is more impactful than a physical threatening and it is more prevalent. Okay. It is seen more in the cases. So first thing is freely given. There should be no pressure. Second is reversible. That okay, today I felt that okay, I want to have sex, but tomorrow I'm not sure. I was thinking about my home. I didn't tell my parents. What if they get to know? I think I need some more time. So you can take back the consent. Even if you have decided that okay, there is a girl, a teenage girl, she's going steady with her boyfriend, or maybe even a woman, grown-up woman. They are deciding to have sex and they have decided okay, falana jagah milna hai, we will check in such a hotel. So everything is decided, but they can take back. It can be taken back even in the mid of the sexual activity. So even if you are like already into sexual activity, you're kissing and you both have decided you're going to have sex and suddenly you feel that no, you don't want to have, so you can take back your consent. It's your consent. Yes. So it's like something, how do I say, consent is like this, it's my consent. तो मैंने दिया था, but now I don't want to give it. I want to take it back because it's my consent. So you can take it back. So F is for freely given, R is for reversible, I is for informed. So informed का मतलब है कोई भी गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन देके कंसेंट ना लिया गया हो. Informed का मतलब है कि you are aware of the consequences. You are aware that why do you want to have sex. Say if a boy has said I love you to a girl just to have sex with her and she gets to know that no, he doesn't love me, then it's a wrong information given. So she can take back the consent because consent was given on the basis of wrong information. Okay, तो ये चीज़ हो सकती है कोई भी गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन आप इन्फॉर्म्ड होने चाहिए. इवन इफ नॉट रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन, यू शुड बी इन्फॉर्म्ड. इन्फॉर्म्ड मीन्स यू शुड नो व्हाट सेफ सेक्स इज, यू शुड नो व्हाट अ सेफ प्लेस is. Like you should actually have a safe place to even enjoy that intimacy in case you are not married, in case you don't have your own home. So what are the places you can go out? You should be trusting the person. So ये सारा information होना चाहिए कि what all can come in terms of information. Correct Sandeep, very rightly said. So thank you so much for bringing this out. So that is how we make the conversation fruitful, where there is like a lot of involvement. Like I as a person, I am trying my best. I actually have studied and work as an educator, but still there are a lot of things that I cannot address completely, and I definitely look forward to a to and fro feedback. Thank you so much for bringing this up. So I as an informed, it should be an informed decision to have sex or not. Now E is enthusiastic. तो freely given का मतलब yes, enthusiastic, yes, this is called enthusiastic. That yes, हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा enthusiastic हैं, हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा looking forward हैं कि yes, we are really looking forward to have sex. तो एक एंथुसियाज़म होना चाहिए, एक वो होना चाहिए, एक जोश होना चाहिए. सो जोश इज़ द राइट वर्ड, दैट यू आर एक्चुअली जोशफुल अबाउट हैविंग सेक्स. सो एंथुसियाज़म इज़ नेसेसरी. स्पेसिफिक का मतलब कि रियली स्पेसिफिक. ओके, sex, we want to have sex. Now sex is not just intercourse, sex is oral sex. Okay, mutual masturbation also comes under sexual act. So you should understand that sexual act is like, it's not just intercourse. There are a lot of things, and a lot of times you want to consent for a particular act. So you say कि okay, I want to give consent for kissing, doesn't mean that you have given a consent for intercourse. So a lot of times this is seen that in the couples, like one person actually takes offense ki no, you are ready now, you are saying no. So specific means you can give consent for kissing and still you cannot give consent for making out. You can give consent for making out and you cannot give consent for sex. So it doesn't mean कि giving consent for one thing would lead to all of the other things. तो वो थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है आपको कि ऐसा ना हो. Okay, now coming to the topic again. So fries is the model. Please parents, everyone, okay, so please take understand this fries model. It's very, very important. It's very easy to understand, very easy to even explain it to your younger kids, siblings, friends, right? This is a very interesting model. Okay, Vishal, but now so many college girls are using. Vishal, I think as a society, I have always advocated for sex education should start right from the, standard 1 or 2, because it is a age appropriate education. So it's not just about like you have to tell it all to the kids, but age appropriate education, like good touch, bad touch शुरू हो जाता है. So my kid was in standard 1 when he was told about good touch and bad touch and private parts. So that's a sex education. That's a part of sex education. So I think most of the girls and young boys are completely clueless when it comes to knowing sex. All they have learned from sex is from porn, from media, because it's always a hush-hush topic. Parents don't broach this topic. So I think the onus lies with the society, with the institutions, and even with the parents, that they should prepare their kids for a healthy sexuality. Sexuality is so intimidating. A lot of times people think that it's a hedonistic force. It's going to corrupt minds and corrupt the morals. It's against the morals, against the culture. ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं. But my fundamental value is sexuality is a force for good. It is a good gift from a good God. Okay, I always say that it's about connection, it's about building intimacy. तो ये चीज़ें आप प्लीज़ देखिए कि सिर्फ एक वन साइडेड ओपिनियन देना कि वो बच्ची गलत कर रही है, वो बच्चा गलत कर रहा है, दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. What is going to solve this problem is that parents start getting involved. They should be the primary sex educators, and sex education doesn't mean moralizing approach. I say don't do it, you don't have to do it because I say it. No, this is a moralizing approach. This is about forcing your values into it. What you can do is you can help them choose their own values by a guided approach. You can tell them, okay, but you cannot expect them to do it as I say, do as I say. ये moralizing approach होता है और इसलिए fail करता है. So try to create a balance where you tell them, okay, and you explain them, and don't force them, and make them think, make them okay to decide about options कि क्या हो सकता है. Okay, I think you are 17 now, so you study in a co-ed school, so you have boys, you have friends with boys. Okay, so how's it going? Okay, she may be hesitating to talk about it, but you can say, okay, you can start with friendship, and you can just talk about it. You have seen student of the year में दिखाया गया है कि स्कूल में भी रोमांस होता है. So कुछ ऐसा होता है क्या? I mean, completely. And then talk about your own stories. Say that yes, when I was in school, I also saw girls and boys making pairs. That we all have seen. Okay, so this is a way to approach the conversation by stories, by taking references from where you are seeing about sex, because media sells sex like anything. Media is all about sex consumerism. Nude body showing, or even really spicing up the intimacy. I think this is all a sex consumerism. So you can actually pick from the same, because your kid is also watching that media. He is also learning from it. He or she is also learning from it. So better you start talking about it. That's the starting point. So coming to the personal values, like the sex, as in ki, how should you decide whether you want to have sex or not. So one thing is consent, but other than that, you should understand that having sex also contains a lot of emotional risk, other than the risk for disease. Like, okay, we all know about HIV, we all know about AIDS, we know about herpes, we know about gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia. So there are a lot of sexually transmitted diseases, including, other than that, pregnancy, unwanted pregnancy. So other than that, a sex can also have emotional risk, because if you're emotionally involved with a person who is just taking you as an hookup partner, you are this is a standard recipe for heartbreak. ओके, तो ये चीज़ हो गया कि ये होता है इमोशनल रिस्क, दैट हार्ट ब्रेक्स, broken friendships, regret, abandonment, fear, emotional blackmailing. So there are a lot of emotional risks also which you need to understand. कि क्या क्या इमोशनल रिस्क आपके इस डिसीजन से हो सकता है, एंड वेदर यू वांट दैट इमोशनल रिस्क, वेदर यू वांट टू गेट इनटू दिस knowing the emotional risk. So do consider the emotional risk before you say yes. Then trust is important, respect is important, trust and respect. ठीक है, कि क्या आप उस पर भरोसा करते हैं, क्या आप उनकी इज्जत करते हैं, नॉट जस्ट अबाउट यू, इवन अबाउट द पार्टनर, दैट इफ दे आर रिस्पेक्टिंग यू एंड ट्रस्टिंग यू और नॉट. रिस्पेक्ट मीन्स कि taking care of the person, okay, in terms of whether he or she is safe. So if a girl is drunk, please don't have sex, don't try to have sex with a drunk girl, because she's unconscious, she's not able to use her judgment. So that is about safety, that is about trust, that okay, even if two people are drinking together and one of the person is almost drunk, the other person doesn't try to have sex under the influence of alcohol. Make sure the person is safe first. Okay, trust is also about that you are with the person, okay, you are keeping the information confidential, so you don't brag about it. Like, I've seen a lot of some people actually bragging about the partners, that okay, I slept with that girl, I made that girl sleep. Even girls, like, sometimes it's about privacy. So make sure that you are confidential to the information, confidential to the moment, right? So there could be a lot of things. Respect is very essential. So I remember, like, that was like, oh god, it's a huge disrespect. So I had sex with a person. I mean, he was how do I say, he was a friend, good friend, I would say. And then immediately after having sex, he said that okay, I think you are getting late. So that was really disrespectful, that you cannot ask someone to leave, I mean, after you have had like your wishes fulfilled. So please make sure that you respect the person as a human being. Okay, they are more than the body, for both people. Okay, respect their emotions, respect their integrity, right? So to start with a healthy sexuality, like what a healthy sexuality is about, it's about your values. So values hota hai deepest set of rules that guide your decisions, and a value answers the question why at the deepest level. Why am I doing this? So my value for taking this Goki classes, I want to bring a positive impact to the society. That is my core value, that is where I am here. That is why I left 10 years of my career, corporate career, well doing career, to do something which is like looked down upon by most of the people, but it is the need of the hour. That is my personal value. And money is secondary and fame is secondary, but that this is something is driving me, because I can see the problems abound. जो मुझे problem दिख रही है, I felt that someone has to take a lead, someone has to talk about it openly, because there are problems. So that is what is value is. One more personal value is like, I don't think a lot, that could be said. तो जैसे मैं कई बार decision लेती हूँ, तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं लेती हूँ decision लेने में. I take instant decisions. And sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work, but I take a very quick decision. So that there is a value. तो हमें लगता है कि value का मतलब positive होता है या negative होता है. No, value is neutral. Okay, it is not about positive or negative. It is just a value. It is just a rule that guides your decision. So for someone who is taking very quick decisions, their value is probability. Okay, so probability is like, okay, it may work, it may not work. So they are more impulsive. Impulse is the value. Okay, so they are more take decisions on impulse. So understand that value is not something as like, okay, this is a good value, this is a bad value. A person who makes decision quickly values impulsivity. A person who changes their mind values chaos. So chaos is a value. क्योंकि this is the person wants chaos, like okay, I really want a very random life, I want to be like on the go. तो ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं कि आपका वैल्यू क्या कहता है, आपकी जो डिसीजंस आप लेते हो उसके पीछे कौन सा वैल्यू काम कर रहा है. So when you say I don't have a value, it is not the right answer. You always have a value for any decision you have taken. So I tell you, okay, I tell you this morning's incident. So my partner asked me to come to a park because he saw actually two girls watching porn, school girls. Thank you, Sandeep, that makes my day. So my partner, he called me and he wanted to show me two young school girls watching porn, and he was like, see what these youngsters are doing. They have actually skipped school because they were still in their school uniforms. Okay, so they might have like come from maybe आज कुछ function होता है, उसके बाद they came and they were watching porn on the mobiles. And one of the girls, she was like very much anxious, she was very much like she was not at peace after watching the porn because they're still young. And I actually countered his statement. I said, see, the kids are not to blame. So मेरा जो value उस decision में काम आया to support those girls even when they're watching porn was that education was not given. So my value was unbiased. I was unbiased in that case. So that is my value. There was a time when my kid was, he was crossing the road and suddenly there was a car coming at a very distance. So he was here and the car was here, like almost he just skipped, and I was like threatened, and I was like, I scolded him badly, very very badly. I don't even scold him. Like, I believe in a kind of parenting where there is no physical disciplining, definitely not. But I was like, I lost my temper that time. So because I thought, okay, I'm going to make sure that you are not going to repeat this again because this is life threatening. So there my value was fear. Okay, because I was guided by fear that something would happen to him, and then I just lost my calm. So you have to understand that what is that value. It's a rule that guides your decision. So sexuality के केस में क्या क्या value हो सकते हैं? What is your value around sexuality? That's a very tricky question, considering now we say that value is not good or bad. So some people value could be adventure. They just want to have like multiple sexual partners. Novelty can be a value. Some people want a committed relationship. They want to be safe. So for them, the value is more about. Something as dignity. Not dignity, I would not say. So maybe some person who want to be in a committed relationship, for them the value is predictability. That they want this to go on. They just don't want to be in a shaky relationship. तो वो उनका predictability हो गया, उनका consistent हो गया एक value. Consistency is a value. So I'm telling about value because are you ready for sex is very important, that you should have your values in place. What are your values? These are freely chosen by yourself. So for me, my value is equality. In sexuality, it should be equal. I should be an equal to my partner. And I think that's about the value. So please talk to your kids about their values on sexuality. Okay. Now something to think about, that what could be other reasons, wrong reasons I'm having sex. So is everyone having sex? Okay. तो हमें हमेशा लगता है कि जो बाहर वाले हैं वो ज़्यादा सेक्स हो रहा है उनका. दे आर लाइक पीपल आर ब्रैगिंग, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओ गॉड आई हैड दिस वंडरफुल एडवेंचर एटसेट्रा, ये वो. तो इफ़ यू थिंक दैट एवरीवन इज़ हैविंग सेक्स other than me and you are actually having sex just to feel yourself equal to them, that's something that you should not. That's not about being ready for sex. It's about giving into the peer pressure. So make sure that you are not giving into the peer pressure because it could be untrue. गलत भी हो सकता है, सच भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो इस पे मत सेक्स कीजिए कि दूसरे लोग सेक्स करें. स्टूडेंट्स में ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कि दे थिंक आई विल ग्रो ओल्ड, मैं सेक्स करूँगा तो बड़ा हो जाऊँगा. ओके, एंड if I'm not going to have sex, my boyfriend or girlfriend will leave me. So, or I just want to get over with it. I've seen a lot of some young girls saying that we have given blowjobs because we didn't want to have sex. तो कर लो ताकि ख़त्म करो मामला, कुछ तो दे दो. So do not have sex for the wrong reason, which is like I'm the only virgin in my group of friends. Okay, मैं अकेला वर्जिन हूँ या वर्जिन हूँ, मैं अकेली वर्जिन हूँ और बाकी सबका सेक्स हो गया इसलिए मुझे भी सेक्स करना चाहिए. That's not the right reason. You should have sex when you want to have sex. So I'm the only virgin in my group of friends. That could be one of the reasons not to have sex. I just want to get over with it. कि ये बहुत चल रहा है, ठीक है, कर लो ताकि पीछा छूटे, जान छूटे. No, not at all. I don't want to get over with it. No, don't do sex because you just don't want to this talk to happen again. Okay, my boyfriend or girlfriend will break up if I'm not having sex with him. तो ये एक थ्रेटन भी आता है कि हम इतने दिन से साथ में हैं, 2 साल से साथ में, और हमारा अभी तक सेक्स नहीं हुआ है, हमें सेक्स करना चाहिए. See, you are saying no, okay, means that you are not wanting sex at the moment, or maybe for the time being. It doesn't mean that you don't want sex forever. Understand that. Saying no to sexual activity doesn't mean that you are not going to have sex forever, but it is for the time being that you don't want, and you can say that. You can say to your boyfriend or partner, girlfriend, कि I don't want to have sex right now. I can have it in future because right now I'm not in the mindset. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. Having sex will make me popular. ये बहुत बड़ी सुनती हूँ मैं कि कई बार हमें लगता है अच्छा हमारा सेक्स हो रहा है तो वी आर मोर एक्सपीरियंस, वी आर मोर पावरफुल, वी नो अबाउट मोर. So no, it's not the right reason to have sex that it will make you more popular. More number of sexual experience will make you popular. No, that's not about being popularity. I feel older if I have sex. तो ये भी एक चीज़ होता है कि you know कि हम अगर सेक्स करेंगे तो हम बड़े हो जाएंगे. Some people actually take as virginity as something, oh God, I'm still a virgin, you know, I'm a grown up, I should have all the experiences that include sexual experiences. That is all a pressure created by peer culture, media, you know, like Student of the Year films where they say that no, kids should be sexually intimate, kids should be physically intimate. Not necessarily. I mean, it depends on everyone. It depends on you whether you want to have sex or not. Okay, so that are some of the reasons that please don't do sex for the wrong reasons. Then you can also think about some other questions, that how do I feel about my partner? I mean, my sexual partner, how do I feel about him? I really feel good, I really feel loving, or it's something that, you know, it's like okay relationship hai, theek hai. So try to see beyond sex, that how do you feel about your partner, how do you feel about the nature of the relationship. Okay, nature of the relationship का मतलब है कि जो relationship itself है, how is that relationship? Is it something casual or committed? Is it something casual for him or committed for you? Is it something committed for you and casual for him? Is it casual for both? Is it like, you know, what is the nature of relationship? Are we on the same page for having sex? कि ये जो कहते हैं कि हम सेक्स करना है, क्या हम दोनों सेम पेज पे हैं, क्या हम दोनों तैयार हैं इस चीज़ के लिए. सो आस्क दिस क्वेश्चंस. यू नो, हाउ डज डिसीजन टू हैव सेक्स अलाइन विथ माई वैल्यूज़. सो जो भी मैंने वैल्यू सोची हैं कि मेरी वैल्यूज़ ये कहती हैं, मेरी वैल्यू कहती है कि मैं सेफ़ हूँ, मेरी वैल्यू कहती है कि सामने वाले को मुझ पर ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए, मुझे रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. इज़ ही रिस्पेक्टिंग, इज़ शी रिस्पेक्टिंग. सो हाउ डज माई वैल्यू अलाइन विथ माई डिसीजन टू हैव सेक्स. What happens if either of us change mind? Suppose we are going to have sex. Okay. What if I suddenly say no? Will he force me? Will he force himself? That's like, oh God, that's so threatening. That's so like scary. So what happens if one of us change our mind during having sex? Am I comfortable communicating my feelings, preferences, choices, concerns around sex with him or her? Am I freely, you know, I'm comfortable communication about sex. Okay, तो क्या communicate कर सकते हैं? I have to just like close my eyes and, you know, just have sex? No. If I'm not comfortable talking about sex, I should not be able to do it with the person. So before doing sex with person, make sure you're comfortable talking about sex with them. तो ये सब कुछ चीज़ें हैं. प्लीज़ अपना वो ध्यान रखिए, और you know, have a nice sexuality is nice, sexuality is healthy. So please take care of these little things and make it a positive experience, and do it when you are ready. So one of the last takeaways is like, because there are teens, and someone said that yes, there are dating apps. So legally consent age भी होना चाहिए कि what is a legal consent age. So 18 is in India, and some countries it is even 16. So legally, are you even ready to give a legal consent? So these are some of the things. Please take care. And sexuality is a positive force, is a pleasurable force, and it's a force for good. So keep watching, and let's talk more tomorrow on a different topic on sexuality. Till then, take care. Bye bye.